Hi all. This is going to be a lecture series about drilling engineering. So, based on the book Drilling Engineering by Wolfgang Prasel from Curtin University of Technology. So, this book has 12 chapters. Chapter 1 is about Introduction to Drilling Engineering. What are the objectives of drilling? What are the general types of drilling? And what are the technical persons involved while drilling, and other miscellaneous concepts like what are the classifications of drilling wells based on the depth. So chapter 2 is about rotary drilling, because there are many types of drilling involved, as we will be seeing in chapter 1. Among that, rotary drilling is the widely applications used nowadays. So this rotary drilling has different systems like power systems, hoisting systems, circulation systems, rotary systems. We will be uh, uh, go through all these various systems involved in rotary drilling in while coming to the lecture on chapter 2, rotary drilling rig. So this chapter also gives some overall view about how to calculate the drilling cost and what are the ways to minimize the drilling cost. Especially, it says about what is drilling time and tripping time. So chapter 3 is about two important concepts to be understood for a drilling engineer related to geomechanics, namely pore pressure and fracture gradients. So based on this pore pressure and fracture gradients, how a drilling engineer has to calculate the mud weight is also deeply discussed in chapter 3. Chapter 4 is an important chapter. It gives some overall idea about drilling fluid hydraulics or drilling mud hydraulics. It says about what are the types of flow, like laminar flow, turbulent flow, flow through pipes, flow through annuli, how to calculate the hydrostatic pressures, how to calculate the pressure drops across various surfaces, pressure drop across flow through pipes, pressure drop across flow through annulus, pressure drop across various standardized surface like divergent flow, convergent flow, and also it has some empirical formulas how to calculate the pressure drop across drilling bit. It also gives some overall idea of how to compute particle slip velocities and what kind of mud density and mud rheological properties to be considered for cutting transport. And it also gives some definitions about what is surge and swap pressures. We will go through later part of this lecture series. And chapter 5 is about drilling fluid. We'll just not go that in depth as similar to drilling fluid hydraulics, but only drill bits, like types of drill bit calculations, and drill string designs. And chapter 6 is about drill string design, and chapter 7 is about drilling fluid. So what are the types of drilling fluid? Water based mud, oil based mud, drilling mud calculations, mud flow properties. And chapter is about casing designs. Will not go that in depth as similar to chapter 4 and 7. So just we'll give some overall idea about what is casing, what is different casing types, what are the designs for casings. And chapter 9 is about directional drilling. So it is kinds of unconventional drilling called directional drilling, horizontal drilling, what is the deviation control. This also will give some overall ideas, not in depth. And chapter 10 and 11 is very important things. What are problems occur while drilling? One of the important problems occur is stuck pipe. What are the causes for the stuck pipe? What are the ways to prevent those stuck pipe? An important thing is what is loss circulations. What are the causes for the loss circulations? What are the ways to control those loss circulations? Similarly, chapter 11 is also about drilling problems, and the two main drilling problems is blowout and kick. So, what are the ways to minimize the kick or removing the kicks, and what are the ways to do a blowout preventers? So these are not very in depth, but it gives you an overall idea for a beginner drilling engineers. So chapter 2 is about cementing. It's a very important thing, but we will just give an overall idea about what is cementing in drilling engineering. Hopefully we'll see about what are the introductions about the drilling engineering, and also the different types of rotary drilling will be discussed in the next lecture. Thank you.